Hi there, welcome to Say It Right. Today's word is anxiety. First, let's focus on the pronunciation. It's pronounced eng-zai-ti. Let's say it again slowly, eng-zai-ti. Perfect. Now that we've got the pronunciation down, let's talk about the spelling. It's spelled A-N-X-I-E-T-Y. Great job. Now let's talk about the meaning of anxiety. Anxiety is a noun, and it refers to feelings of worry, nervousness, or unease, often caused by uncertain or stressful situations. Here are a couple of examples to show how it's used. She felt a lot of anxiety before her big presentation. His anxiety kept him awake the night before the exam. Notice how it's used to describe those nervous, uneasy feelings? Awesome! You've got it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who loves learning new words. And remember, keep practicing, and I'll see you next time on Say It Right. Take care.